Okay, I'd like to thank everybody for coming to hear what we have to say and for getting the word out that uh, of what's going on. So my name is Dawn Han. I've been a front-end Kroger worker here in the Houston area for 2 years. Since the start of the pandemic, my coworkers and I have been in constant fear of getting sick from COVID. We understand the importance of our role as essential workers serving our community, but we also know Kroger should be doing much more to protect us and our customers. The fact is, this pandemic is far from over, and people deserve to know the truth about the dangers essential workers still face and the impossible choices we are forced to make. To be blunt, the store I work at is in the worst shape I've ever seen, and workers are not being treated with the dignity and the respect that we have earned and deserve. Our store simply isn't being cleaned well enough. We are just too understaffed to take the time to clean, and often we don't have the necessary supplies like sanitizing wipes. And more of the workers at my store are getting sick. I'm not exaggerating when I say the situation is worse now than ever before. Since Christmas, close to 500, that is 500, Kroger workers have been infected with the COVID here in the Houston areas. This is my friends and my coworkers. More workers are getting sick every day. Kroger is not doing enough to protect us, and this needs to change. They refuse to hire the workers our store needs or provide hazard pay that we have earned. This pandemic is real, but Kroger has been acting like it's over. Instead of acting to protect us, Kroger has the nerve to run ads and put up billboards thanking us. If Kroger really cared about workers like me, it wouldn't have cut hazard pay just 2 months into the pandemic, even though the danger from COVID never went away. Hazard work deserves hazard pay. It's not rocket science. Here in Houston, Kroger is also jeopardizing our access to quality and affordable health care by pushing a new company controlled plan which drives up our healthcare costs. Let me repeat that. Kroger is hiking healthcare costs, increasing prescription costs, driving up emergency room copays, and hitting us with more out of pocket expenses. On top of all this, many essential workers like me still haven't gotten the vaccine, even though the CDC stated we should be a priority. How come essential workers and those most at risk have to wait? How much longer do we have to wait? Grocery workers are among the most at risk. We should have priority to the vaccine, and personally, I'd like to get mine ASAP. Here in Texas, it's upsetting to see Governor Abbott blatantly ignoring the CDC's recommendations and refuse to step up and expedite access to the vaccine for essential workers like me. All this makes you feel like you don't matter. It feels like leaders here in Texas have abandoned us essential workers. I'm asking our national elected leaders, including President Biden, to help us because companies like Kroger are not. The danger from COVID is so real to us. For all that essential workers have done, is it so much to ask that we receive health care, hazard pay, and receive the vaccines as soon as possible? We can't wait any longer. We need help. Thank you.